After 4 decades, the legend returns, stronger, faster, more electrifying than ever before. This is the 2027 Ferrari 849 Testarossa. Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on the 2027 Ferrari 849 Testarossa, the SF90 Stradale's successor, and a masterpiece that honors the past while dominating the future. The numbers are absolutely mind-bending. We're talking about 1,036 horsepower from a plug-in hybrid V8 powertrain. That's not just more powerful than its SF90 predecessor. It's entering hypercar territory that rivals the McLaren 750S and Lamborghini Revuelto. Look at this design language. Ferrari has taken the DNA of the original 1984 Testarossa and reimagined it through a 21st century lens. Those iconic side strakes aren't just aesthetic, they're functional aerodynamic elements that manage airflow with scientific precision. Step inside, and you enter what Ferrari calls their new Cockpit-Style architecture. This isn't just an interior. It's a command center designed for the ultimate driving experience. This isn't just about raw power. It's about intelligent performance. The hybrid system doesn't just add horsepower, it fills torque gaps, provides instant electric response, and offers surprising efficiency when you're not exploring the outer limits of physics. The Ferrari 849 Testarossa will be available in both Coupe and Spider configurations. This isn't just a new model. It's Ferrari's declaration that the future of supercars will be electrified without sacrificing emotion. This isn't just a supercar. It's a promise that the future of performance will be more thrilling than we ever imagined.